Quantum here. Number da bang.
Oba bra me sukui e ba ye enyene. Se wo na wotutua so nko ade a wo tworo so hwe a wotwa. Omoye courses ni bi ti say general arts, visual arts, business, home economics, general science, and afi technical. Baby a obeda so podie. E mane nyi wadwendwe sukuu no hostel kese e on mo de amasuafo.
Unia ene fa me ko hono man.
Ewra ji pani kwakyerefo ne number na friend na ji mu nkyeremu. E 0243 21 4720 ana 0543 90 9502. Great Omega Academy. Impossible is possible.
Malaria ya banana drew nabo tenate. Fix Herbal, the Fix Mala mixture. Wa boni pitu, wa boni bede. Na otu malaria se prekupe na aba. Se wuti yo wenuma ato. Wa powder nsisi wiye. Akwa aspiti ana akwa ye test ma wosi enya malaria. Ma malaria nzi unye bio. For Fix Mala mixture na obama wa pomuzin prekupe. Kwa drugstore ana pharmacy shop ne benya Fix Mala mixture ato. Na se pendudu etwa ko Fix Herbal wo adenta kantamanso. Ana frɛ 020-844-4442. 020-844-4442. Fix Mala mixture dri. Obi a wenyin san. Anorma bofraba enufu. Ana bofraba onzi mfidu ebien mfa. Fix Mala mixture. Enkratu yi FDA apenodo.
Kweku eja menu yeda no want sakra
Enya se okay.
Enti dem titi na no kra eja wadu amuntie eye sam ampa mochi ana mo siesie nsano sam ampa mochi se odi hye bi film se yo mame o papa oba bema pani ana akoda odi ne kodan sam ampa mochi da untu sika ngui kra won be siesie nipa no akra ne kakran fefa kono ama obeyi wamu no oda ho ana osresa beji safu no ani ntiatiefo se wo odi hye be film bia me kanfo sam ampa mochi ama se and in the right place also do the shenko esan say na ye nim sam say nipa de ofim no abusua an bon to tom say be ye wayi a ye mochiri and do ko enteno ne sam ampa mochi enfo ni nkyere ba bia na obeyi u de shen no sansre enam koyon befa so asiesie nipa bia no woni ba jikeke sam ampa mochiri e wo mo from junction wa bra wodi wani a kire achim asanteman kwan no bon so sani fa so a ye twida ne fita eguo hyepe e hon so kama me pa cho de from keke e wo 0208 360777 and say 0550-420-202. Sam ampa mochira na nipadua no be yino no na otese de osate asia moja di no mofrisane me say sam ampa mochira na rest as you live
na me say every bra me hu wo the bia we are active, very strong and energetic.
We are 100%. Na nyina ne sade me hwe me nipadua sofa na de boa me mama hoden mama timi kwabada ene tabia zanika heba mister
tabia zanika heba mister what do you dance ya kire me
ho dance de enya wonko me de dawuro na atoso na madia kire nipa mpempem tabia zanika heba mister ma to ne de nyamyama sa wonoma emenkwamu a ewo nipadua no mu a ye fra mu asojafo eye wide blasters na hoden enti nipadua nya hoden soronko kutia yare ahodo bebre enti wonta nyare enti na dam ye strong no eye general well-being of the body enti ye adwuma ewo nipadua na kwa no mu ba bia
me ya metumi hu ene se busua bia
eye busua nchemfa se obi de ne ho to tabia zanika heba mesa so a eden se obeyare na nya na ewo ba bia tonto aduro bia hye ne nso se obi a onya mfinhye dumienu apemfo ene abatan a oma omanofo entimi no bi FDA ahwehwe sa adwade nkratomu mu agye tumi se ye.
You see, there are men who are really ready to marry. Owosika woni bibia. Nenso, akoba, Joe, Metra, I love you can't anything. Also your bar, who have feye. Nenso, emema nemba. Last year, Odon Tabain on a Hinkan FM was really interesting. This year, you're spicing it up with Odo Tabain Dating Arena. Under, Intise wire crowd sa pesa ware. Bra Hinkan FM, bepeke forms. Shayon oba upe, shayon berema upe. Na jai ejumana akanomai. Na ya best sort you out. Yampan kwara if it's a yen din kwala grow. Age rate you know 25 years and above. Odo Tabain Dating Arena. Yabe boa na wonya that perfect man or perfect woman. Na wa shenikawa.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Ejumaye.
Show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Benida suo nyina newo. Eye ankasado na mido. Na eba no say no do pe na minye de ya. Edruboni na minumwana anase mi kosha konfo. Se obido wa unwana na inie wukikano na mintio. Arira chichire mi do unimse if you only power. Ababa we enyinimo. Enyinanwa edikonsio nubana seyo. Sophie nase isio nushie gudia nenyeri ura. Namete odasino. And I'm also na mete odasi. Nasafi enese ekimia afena uko no way. Ode kwaya aji wonwa. Yen freno kwai wo. Sema fumu wa kachemio. Na mimpa ucha nenyese yeja yo. Kwe. Arira chichire mi do unimse. If you only power, Ababa we enyinimo. Enyinanwa edikonsio nubana seyo. Sophie nase isio nushie gudia nenyeri ura.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Radio Papa. Abuziki.
Yameyo piano famisa. Yena benuswa. Yena benusna eyo. Na fei ande. Mama tafwenya miyo. If you only power, Ababa we enyinimo. Enyinanwa edikonsio nubana seyo. Sophie nase isio nushie gudia nenyeri ura. Arira chichire mi do unimse. If you only power, Arabie enyinimo. Edikonsio nubana seyo. Sophie nase isio nushie gudia nenyeri ura. Arira chichire mi do unimse. If you only power, Arabie enyinimo. Enyinanwa edikonsio nubana seyo. Sophie nase isio nushie gudia.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
sutra samito. Many better get a cross. You be run to my crow. I said it. Why you are crow? Won't so be so I don't know. Menum menya homeka. Won't so na menum. Menum menya homeka. Missing you. Go ya baba be my so me honam ne makoma. Amami te on casa me no ye me te on gaba. Maria das what kind of cash. Bara me no venue. It's sort of no bad me who and I man ye Gina. We know the crowd won't need me scanner. Me see my gula movie. Me no baby apa. Uto ya so me mu. We are me kirado. Me did it best. Big usu. Visa papa kwane fatao. Winti bra.
Ebusia mama wakwaba Ibrahim Kai 93.3 FM so Juma na wasugu so wutie na nape Sautie enyum na dase na wawani tuade na ye babeyo odo ho common ye babedie ene eye counselors column enti no ene ye bedi odo ho komo pa enti ni se wo adwumam se wo edwaso sedifo ma se wo kanesen odadwom ese wo aboabo dwom asani dwom ba bibia wo bia me ma wadwuma ya ne wa na eye adwuma ne na na pen eni nti shiran council wa fidie no eda ahenkan 93.3 FM Enana permit na mu ama menu akwabena costi midi ade afia ampofowa Ejuma na wasuguso wutie ntidi ya chie ewo Facebook ne so ahenkan 93.3 FM FM na ya capital letters wo Facebook ne so na fe yenko YouTube so kokono edene na paste bia bi eno nti YouTube ne so eya ahenkan 93.3 FM na wajincha no se wukrafo aketekete piani bia akusi bese Yesu boja no ebi krawa SMS no number no na medi to dwa no 0594 841044 0594 841044 Kainesha no se medi motivational message be bro ene de ne mu ohwam papa nti ya na wenya so waye kulamotie Ejuma na na penu wa Jesu se ejuma oye Afia ampofoa Yentie nyum ne kakra ne jani ensemble bi mu so ara se mi wasuma wo Odo wa dia mi wa mrama wo So do wa kwa dia ma champion wo Si e kota padia you want a mawo Ana brumisu Tam 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 Ane bo mi wo Baby tam 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 It is mizu baby Sene how you know Baby Kai Sene how you know Ever me da bo baby Sene how you know Say na se mi kai Sene how you know 111666 Call the number 111666 That's my number 111666 111666 So baby come on call me now 111666 See me so Champagne jungle, Idi Tasha Machango, Mia Wodia, Zamaya, Papi Soja, Abram Jungo,
111-666. Call the number 111-666. Hold on. 111-666. 111-666. 111-666. Yeah, oh yeah. 111-666. Yeah, oh, call the number 111-666. 111-666. Sidwana Jufana mi koda. Yana mafi odo iwa nunkomo. Sidwana Jufana mi koda. Yana mafi odo iwa nunwabindi. Bamenia, isiwa, bimvira odo imuntambira. Now what did me a chapa odo hima? I what did me a genti, brevie. Chirami, Namin to me, who I see, Vosu. Hey, Chirami,
Namin to me, who I see.
Oh, me don't hear see, go Mami akosi abiremi hu. Adam femi ana. Adam femi ana. Kajuliaka hosu mami, kamami ni maya.
Oda ade enti oda wo mpamia na waka kire me embediji misika emani bi pesa dodo waka mani bi ho bediji sika ne san ketenkete ne woje 5000 no woje 2000 no woje 10000 nya 10000 sika fufro do dada ne bi no woje oh we bi kura timi je fufro no woje kwa timi je mema be 4 3 no woje sika no ko ba ma me wo mpe wo be ma na ndiji ni sika ana wo se me yare wo bi wase no wa be pa me ne me ndege ade enti enana pay yemfa seda ema police ni na dro no impostable mixture wanu kra ye mutwetwe adwuma amajay herbal clinic fonzu kra ye mu Buakwa Herbal Clinic. Fixman capsules. Color studio and digital embroidery. Unique Diploma College. Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise. Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise. Obiso pasasi to enti wom nyina kekom sika bom ena juma eba wakwemo odi electronics ahenkan sans bengbeng wonum nyina ena ebua ma juma aba ufiefie de ba bia wotibia enu nti kira wadwen na yebedi odo ho nkomo ware aze enti 0594841044 Diachi ewo YouTube ne so kokone de na subscribe na share eya henkan 93.3 FM Facebook ne so ya henkan 93.3 FM na bibia endededin enche bia motivational message no beba wakwem Promise me the whole world will not take it. Hey, you lied to me.
Don't wanna hear you. Oh boy, you're so funny. No more money on your honey.
Juma ana wasugu so wutie no za wuti anyumu na wasie no odonko anti wasuma ya odide aje sabo sa kwabna na boss anyumi aha kwabna ne beka meboa midem enti kwabna ne beka anyumu mo boy ye dedede yensam gompa obi won mo timi twa ontra mentro no de chade kura enye Obuon masa woni mu agidie pan woni mu arehemu bi wate ase we wanse wayi wase aboho se ekum ba ne se ya wo de cha no kura enye yi woni bi won mu de cha ebi won so so easy so de be che enti odo bia yo bone anapaya na wo hwemu na se bone na waye wo no wo de cha de ye ya fa cha nipa so yo me so wo bi so yo bone no so wo de cha ne na bedi wawu jai yan fa nche no ana ai e wo mse se bible se yan fa bone nche na bone odo mu bone de bi wo no madi awuo wo de koche se ekrim obeba bedi wawu biem ti ebi wa no wabu ani aguso enwum ne eye me de pa ade you love yeah oh baby boy hey you lied to me Ejuma manyane ntiasa yase abnasifo tie papa enti abnasifo nyina me mamu ejuma mamefo wo mu edwom abnasi dwom me mamu nyina ejuma na maje so o se ejuma je asani fonsu tie papa ti asani dwom ne yakwe me mamu nyina so ejuma aha fufuro dem aje enti abusia encha me the motivational message no baba wobi nso se na ayufo de wo ye de ani atusko for small landing edwomfo ma me mamu nyina ejuma
Basemidi manguma nyina mawa ebana mi ya mshishi
encha counselor baba ene topic no emu ode pa obi wo sori ya no wo kwane wo hia boy ya no akoka wa frɛ ne nanfofo no wo bobo mama ne rough ye ne bedi nkomo papa counselor ba ye bedi nkomo papa obi wo chia be men ne ya ade chia no kwa chede ma me se manya be ma bi obe wa mi we ya ni hwe he enti ye bedi nkomo pa odo ho nkomo na mama for motivational message no embrewe na me impropro me mrim ebusia ene motivational message na me de brewo no eye futuo sanso ebehye wo kran ene sen esu sene nyankopon bo obi a esu sene obi adwene esu sene obi hye na tade Esono sani obi nante and esono sani obi ekasa. Enti nipa nyina nyempe ye nyina obi adam soronko. Enti ye nyina yati wiase Ghana he ye nya peda. Utwi umuta kwa winchin boto baako ye nya peda. Enu nti nipa nyina nya pei. Adan na wo pesa wo ya ho chinchin. Wo ye bo wo no mpekasa. Na adan nti na pesa wo ya ho chinchin pekasa by force. Wo ye bo wo no. Aduane wo mpe. Nenso adan nti na wo hwe obi anim ferie akwakodi aduane aboro so ma wo ye makwakoya wo ya. Wuti wo mpasa asa wonim sa. Na adan na wahu fari wahu obi a wo pesa wo so ho sabu mu dwa kire no. Sania yemu bi eniomabu ono ye ntimi nye. Yemu bi eniomabu ebetimi aye no. Mi yemu a efutu a me wode ma we na pani se sania wusitie bia fa ne sa. Enhwede obi ye ho nansesa wabrabo. Enhwede obi eyo na pretending nya wo chinchin nipa kro no adan a me pani animonyam debi please obi an tintini tietia ne sa na pay asema make a chon say hwe no wanye obibi anko panimonyam animonyam gie no eyade bia nyankopon ne de ma se wo pe onipa ni mo animonyam no eyade bia ekese nyankopon wankasa no enne efri ni mu unim say obu onu mu a ono on kase frɛ me sister o frɛ me honorable na so unya hunu nanimu ano obi nka cho se frɛ no honorable be frɛ no honorable bi so no wondi MP da eno ye nyankopon ade a wode adom no enti adenti na de wusitia wo mfa ne saa na wo ye ho chinchin sania wo beso obi ani ana pasama me ka cho se futu amede ma won se enye bibi nso onipa dasani ani se wo bibi yeso obi ani a ene yade e beso nyankopon ko ani esanse nipa de ye nipa eduro ni betimi atro de wo ye ne betimi atro na da e betro no wo beba wansa no se papa enti se ye banche na wo ton se ye bode na wo ton hwemu na ton wo banche hwemu na ton bode enkokase obi akofanto saka ne banche ntimi so ahopeprenti mekwa akofanto sa beka banche ho wanhwa na wonto so ne yanto wan strength to no ebeje wonsem ebia wo ye taxi driver wo de ni se wo betwika wo si wo bia kwa akoto ho ahwanti no wo so be pra kwa akoto private car we nyani hwe he ye nyoma nkitin bia ye nipa ye nim na ye be wi akire na ede akose yim enti na na peni tintin ni tietie mu an se enya ade a obi ani beje ho. Be yourself. Enkasa te send you enkasa said you be bepa wasem debi enjune send you be mega obi bekasa nipa ya adwuna wo adwuni de mani je ho pa adwune send ya yakopon bo wo se dwune no dwune sa enforce wo ho dwune enforce wo ho nkasa enforce wo ho shatade bia ebia wo hye mfata wo. Be yourself na ne sa yo so ne beboa ema wabra bo na wo bo ne beko nanim aden ye ho chinchin wo wiase ye ba ye enwoma ya ho odin timi nko ne ye aden ya meja masumasi ehunu se me ho odin pa obeya ma dako adekro na wo pese wo peja manipa bom nsam ma wo dako peja unka ajempo na wawu enti no yede wa ho odin betimi atade ne hyede wo body betimi kasa no ka de wo anu no betimi anantia na nante dia wo nan ni betimi nan ebeboa papa ye ema wabrabo no akosopa enye die obi ebeka enye die obi beka se wasomasi die oh oye good pa eno die nka hwe me se da aduro ne betro no da aduro no betro da wa ho ade ni endru saa de ni biem no ɛna wobɛhunu sɛ mehu anka so na akachi nti bibia wo ye bia na pɛyi ma wani ngi sɛ wo yɛ saade no bibia wo ka bia kosoa na ka bibia wo ye bia kosoa na ye na ɛbɛboa wo ɛma wakɔ anim ɛnhwɛ die obi ɛbɛka ɛnhwɛ ni monyam bi na ni monyam no ɛno aba ni brem sɛ wate ase meda sese watie afutue na ye nyina ye de bɛyɛ ho aduro meda so afa DJ Shabo mesra wada yentinsi mo dono an ye wo mu nti yentinsi mo he Ebusia juma no wasugusu awutie no enche bia bekwa akwaje aboafo nkrato ba ye ba na ye ne council atwetwe ye nkomo no topic no emu odepa da ben ebreben na wo se u breaking news no ekira wo maame o papa wo nankofo se abrante wei ena mene no nante abrante wei ena mpese me wa no enti ye ko aba
Too many down so Masanya, send me our canoe. Too many down so. Too many down so. Too many down so. Masanya, send me our canoe. Me da kuma pambet in a train. Na mare na wo mami yo yamo sikemu maria tanso se mini wa ora na sambe bobi choyese yasimanya ni open na unyo adi baby so ti say ye yanda wo sembe pray kimi de menu mo kasani se na wa mama ni mo anko gosi she say na bro boy you do anything you so talk about you. See many down so. See many down so. See many down so. Much more sanya.
I know me test your jobi and me sisi pa ya me yaye and so me no ma no me test no aboa me
I don't know manumbi na me to ase ntini mu na na etwetwe me pa na mu hwehwe me se de nyame adom ni na ejan
Madrono aboa me papa na me ne me rekompoma enduru 1 minute na me ho aba me nom 1 bottle ti say me ne yire da be 30 minutes nti madrono de eye pa san fabra mo
me din de ya mensa you to anobites e kono me ne ka so aboa me pa na me sisi na ye me ya na beto no mo ye eno ame no mo ye e ko bibia ko kama de say me tin bo adwuma ye
ya frɛ me Abdul Jalil Shaibu na me wo haw bi a eye se me ne me yire ehia mu a sisi a na me ho asani me e ma me tumrika ekotobi me no me ye no yare no akọ
asa no bi tese no de do fa ase sisi ye ya to ya nso no me ni na akọ me ka tre wo bi o no ma no bi tese ne ya do papa e be boa na ma ne yare bi e wo ya
ano heba bitters ena ano heba capsules enure ukotobi atoni mienu ebom ubanya biato e wo atimoda ha ochini ba drugstore ena Ghana ha drugstore bia heba shop bia ubanya bi ato no bitters no bitters
Awofo me wo good news be at the mamo. So when him say enkane no na say wo ba ko private nursing school a wo yam hyehyw say ebia na wonya adwumani Ghana ban adarumenti sade no atwem eno nti say wo pese wo ba be ye dachi nurse ni kese pandia ene me kanfo bi mass college at the amount esuku fees at the form boko ye courses bi ti say BSc nursing, diploma in registered midwifery, diploma in registered general nursing, diploma in medical laboratory technology, certificate in family healthcare, near a chat worker, a yes certificate in professional IT, bra, na yen show computer software and hardware, and a afe camera installation, admission, ewo homa woma, when 6 passes, ewo wasi in Soshemu, be mass college were affordable and moderate hostel, Emma woman will free a tree eba, ewo spacious lecture halls, and a library. Now when him, student bia wo ho kwan say waji loan, make student trust loan, which Ghana card, and ti umpewe na upede. Be mass college were agona swear Swedru, near Ben Swedru School of Business. For more enquiries, contact our email on info@bimascollegegh.com or visit our website www.bimascollegegh.com. Over to me, Freyen, it was 0551 528 154 0546 264 129 and now 0332 095 776. Bimas College, Yateti Adachi and Nurse for Papa. Something you've never experienced before is about to happen. Yes, Akem Odan, are you ready? Marvel City Entertainment and Marvel City Band present Marvel Fest 2022, the pre-Valentine edition. Good music, they say, feeds the soul. A night to show love and enjoy good live band music made in Akem Odan. Yes, I mean live band music. So come, let's party together at A2 Pub. Always with the king of high life music in Odan, Echo Marvel. Also performing live, Joey Popkin, Kwame Nkansa, Roy X Taylor, Coke Che, Dasir Beba Kwame, and Sean Sticker. It's happening on 12 February 2022. 15 cool CDs for single and 20 CDs for double. Just look nice with a touch of red. Tickets available at Ahinkai FM, Achimasa FM, Ophir FM, A2 Pub, or call 0553 379187 for ticket delivery. Come and let's have good time together. Live band music made in Akem Odan.
Hey, we're here. Enra home, Misha Madam for COVID tilapia. No kita DB your call. I say to kopo remote. Mibisa no say your phone. Wait, your phone. Brapa! Golden phones, your promotion at the Nyoma so abode. Now will you swear to kopo remote? Ah! Golden phones at the promotion sales. Bro from now going. And only the only shop I'll be your quality phones and accessories. Our Ghana ha. Enti Tremikana Kwaji Techno, Infinix, Huawei, Itel, Samsung, LG, Nokia, iPhone, SQ. Any phone be out here at low price. Me say a low price. We have memory card, pen drive, power charger, power bank, quality inbuilt battery, MP3 player, Bluetooth handset, accessory brain now here, and one golden phones. Promotion. Yeah, tetes who say who golden phones. They be a Fidelity Smart account amount for depositing and withdrawal. Wasim for Subo golden phones. So Bronsana water credit mankesim station. Echiwana, Chasrope, Akimo Danso, Moa Kona na Dynamo, Tioli Betty, Mandarina Road, Chifu Praso, so more pusha bar, and Yankuma Sahin Crew, and Asiando, Sikabia Ukranubenya smartphone, Ewo golden phones, press 0244 529 934 and 0209 208 866. Golden phones with some IFA.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense Wabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric somewhere who by no, and Nasa wonum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina etimi banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buy every home. And now woman pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are dimpinti. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you may move Bia Yato in row. At to form fresh 0246 208496. Imbus Haba Mesa, police in no adrono, and Kratway FDA. I see it.
So, I serve it hot. I give you all the gist in the entertainment fraternity. I'm the music plug too. Your friend Kobina Kosti, a brandy part the perfect gentleman, host of Showbiz 933. Me bring a whole new package. So meet me, I'm a pandit.
What you say? And Kolam for all genders, all age groups. That time timing about 3 almost 20 emergencies. That's why
Etiana ne ho ansem kan no an average pundit like some of us now we find it hard to discuss him, but it's what we supposed to do because we need to do and it's show business.
Because instead of quality one and you too high in the idea. Don't I do it, massive one, Americans, one boy is not cracker. I'm about on the music TV, it's from digital channels, so I'm the coder. So
This and every Saturday from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m.
Sana di fia ehwampao.
Ha, eye ban 20 enama efia ehwehwe hwamsano.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA ban ni enko limited. Ene wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nansen kwada nyoma eni ate se wan. Eye parazo enu ana me de sie.
Medo, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afro. Na dia ba de na wo de aho potobidisi
eya akasha no na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papa pata susu nyina eso atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila hu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Bani snake reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amede ma wa horo won sai hu ana ai enu aso na me de wo horo nchasi mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse akira mansan fa no mo wo
JA Bani wo mo nioma no ubenya biato wakuma setakura de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabuase bonga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo panido so pomu atua ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
mame number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso mudi ni body say
eye JA Bani na call limited.
Ja, me drew ho sesia.
Hele banjo. Why go?
Masa, St. Andrews asembubu wayek machine biomo. Afie we die eye buta
7A's 6A's and 5A's no abruso
enti say wo beto forms e wo St. Andrews SHS the results ni bi na hwansa
afie we ye the 999 candidates and a quatrain emu 997 and a qualify ye ko university
wow we die e buru adwen ene ntiase so
eno ntise wo school bi akọ felipoto
e mane hawo kra
for any tremu St. Andrews SHS. Say St. Andrews ebi akwenya ama omo ko form 3.
Enti ma wonye ha na be fa forms na tre wasi May June exams ni bi afia ebe.
Enti masa akwenya we mpa ho fisa me hu yanka na aka echi.
Enti fresisia na je SHS 3 admission forms
0244 696911 and 0207 891004. St. Andrews SHS.
We are always
in the lead.
Ejumaye.
If I no get a go borrow anything for my baby, yo. She know they make her worry, yo. Now they give me body, yo. You show me love I never know. You make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling. Me not go fit to let go. Girl, I wanna put it on, yo. Girl, you fire. Me can't deny that. Many girl for me and by you brother. Tell me who on you, mommy water. I go be your Santa. Na-na-de, na-na-de. Where you day, there I go day with you. Me and you be mood. No, no. Na-na-de, na-na-de. Where you day, there I go day with you. I go day with you. Me and you be mood. Now you put the sugar for my cocoa. Girl, call me on the phone and I'll be there. And baby, I'll be there. You make a bad man one color. I'm on my way. In a little traffic, but I won't be late. Can't wait to put it on you. Anything I do it for you. Girl, you fire. Me can't deny that. Many girls for me and by you brother. Tell me who on you. go be your Santa. Na na de, where you day, there I go day with you. Me and you be mood. No, no, na na de, where you day, there I go day with you. I go day with you. Me and you be mood.
When they all said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. And you are not anyone to. Boy, you know I still come through, Give me love, yeah. Forever, yeah. I just curse for your love. My mind there for you. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. My heart beats every time when I think of you. I don't know. I feel loved again. I don't want to wait for days. Let me have you in my arms again. Please. Good morning, my love. Oh my God, it's our wedding day. I'm so glad I found someone to hold till eternity. I don't want your man and me too. Honeymoon for a
Juma no wasugu so wutie wa henka 93.3 FM so no. Ebusia da sese wo twe ya. Na yakwaji abafo nkrato aba. Sese councilor beka yensa wo fiduam ha. Enti anche bia de nkomo twetwe no ebe hyehye so. Enti chira wadwen 0594 841044.
I'll go fight for your love.
0594841044. YouTube ya de Dema Henka 93.3 FM. Facebook also sa. Mami nkamfo drowe ma Imboost Herbal Mixture. Police ni na drono. Unya binom ya pebinom na eye immune booster papa. Ya Ghana ha say de obia hwidi so. Enti se immune system na pesa ya strong nkwadia. Eye Imboost Herbal Mixture police ni no edrono. Wonoma ya de bia wo nipadua hinta wo nipadua be sanfro ni nyina pia free nipadua ni mu wo pa bi ato Hospital Square Junction People's Junction any drugstore BM ubenya Imboost Herbal Mixture ni bi ato 0246 208 496 0246 208 496 and now 0540 710 113 0540 710 113 Imboost Herbal Mixture police in a drono anti pebinom I'm a J Herbal Clinic and so one more your sumpa nesum into one ultra modern scan machines war laboratory service papa be a better show June so much show my gem. Say be a whoop massage in Biajo. Oh, quaho a good roommate in I'm a J Herbal Clinic. Ya diabetes, typhoid, ulcer, prostate enlargement, cancer, syphilis, hypertension, hepatitis B and C, kidney problems. Obuon mo and if me boso me ne ya beso ananye ne nkikamu jai. Ono na nkwafo de na ya karando mo cheke se asumasi wo kamidi ne boso me na so me nya me ayi ready m kwaje me pay. Mesra went na ho masa ya de oba entetel. Eya ma J Herbal Clinic na se wo ko. Obuon so ya ba ya be ma wontimi ho nti nkwafo atwa ne mpoa ebia na betumi awo na duro na wonya nyeye. Eye ama J Herbal Clinic na se wo ko. Enyarwa ne de se bebre wono mbeso ano e de ama ho. From a J for 0244 877 840 0244 877 840 and 0205 045 665 0205 045 665 I'm a J Herbal Clinic wire reception in Robert Ade Edi numuni mumba baby you got to know Hey, uni manyume boost to me immune system no. And one awo bono. Enti Buakwa Herbal Clinic so. Dr. Nina Drew. Me can for the ama wo. Omo wonro bebe mako 3. Na wo pa ba akokra no mu a wo begina so se twiren. Enti wo dia wo yade bi tisa typhoid malaria. Wo jonso a wo te ya wo bi ni ade ho. Diabetes ku, hypertension, stroke ku. Obeme bu so ntimi nya adwuma ne ye apia maya no enkasa. Oh, tibafo ba no beju sika di sa wanzo ntimi nya hwe. Eya Buakwa Herbal Clinic na me kan for dia ma wo. Ese bibu honum na bibi gu honam no prekese skin rashes ne dia keka onyina da ko ho na eduro na ma akoma trio Buakwa you mesha no ujefu ya dia nyina be firi ho Buakwa tea mesha eno typhoid ni nyina be tu ase Miss Pine Herbal Tea rampoa eno no hypertension diabetes etunite enti no fa wani kire mu achemodan bungalow Ahojo Junction. Eja Boatin fie ho frɛ 0240 226 924 0240 226 924 and 0248 503 189 0248 503 189 Against the battle, against the battle. Umpegam, biscuit. Fixman capsules so make for the amount. Apomodin ye hian pant bema apomodin no eye kapre kaso ube ha dwen. E man be do sika bisa no meja. Na ye sika no ngwan ya hwehwe ye hian apia maya ne so. Sisa apia maya ne nya adwuma ye Fixman capsules. Pebinum na bema oh zigizage mu be den wo be man mu be den. Fix mala mesha and also malaria tenete obuon mu obeda sa o se me honam ayebo fever chemi na mitiya me yakope Fix mala mixture ni bi eno ena Fix Arabella ointment and also no honam no eni no nketen sawa heat rashes ni nantama proper tenete baby a wo pe bi ato bi abenya Fix phone ray bi ato say yan crying say yeah he ubenya biato achim da baby as drugstore BM. We've been walking through sticks and stones. WhatsApp you 0208 444 442 Nafra one kasa landline no 0302 902 071 0302 902 071 Fix phone run dia eye papa enche bia be ko counselor ho ne na twetwe nkomo no na ansa ne be free ha no makwa counselor ho no color studio and digital embroidery submit yes na mpese mi yimfoni a eye color studio na me kro wa uni mi bia ntimi say yes mi ko ya mi hu bi ene na ma anwe mi sin na ma twa se kre na me sin no mi birthday so kra mi ko twa na mi birthday enche ba April me ya mi hu bi wo color studio say enti no say wedding photography birthday photography studio photography na studio ni dina no so pa picture framing passport pictures ni nyina woye ya ba na embroidery so a say bia school crest na person ye embroidery gu badges ni de ni nyina asori bi mu atade bi na person ye Lacoste embroidery mo kwa obeye de amamo machines de bi gu papa school Lacoste embroidery everyone mo ye engagement was say person ye me ku ene me yire no ye mienu na ye twa ye nim ni ye de to face towel mu mesra obeye sa embroidery ni nyina ma mo check ra no obeye enti apostle mu school mu uniform no emu embroidery nyina color studio and digital embroidery be ya mamo enti mu uniform no ya mo fanko CID Mohammed ya mo fanko editing video editing the end where ya want me obey ni nyina mamo frɛ 0245 276 638 0245 276 638.
Yo, how your body hot steamer for summer? Mama chance, now me no comer. Everybody want chop city be full of piranhas. Ready to commit, baby, do me what you wanna. Never lost. Thanks for you, dear, I swear never lost. Your ex still likes you, rare have a loss. Me for thrust, give me make a bus, make a feather cost lights off. Me feeling how you're moving lately. She did try claim streets, but your
Unique Diploma College.
Me moving shady, this a new mouth, don't feel like you. Me I wanna dance.
Unique Diploma College is say nay. Wo pe baby anya 8A sa. Was in social way Unique Diploma College na esa wo kro. Novdek one more trap papa etwa nya Novdek ye na one Novdek I trap FA leader. Okay, BC na so nya Unique Diploma College. Share. One more church for ni gire mo na so ni madia ma wan kasa de e be kire wo no so be kire Novdek FA leader. Ne nka wo so de. Ti dan wani e na fo wani hye mu ho no mo. Say your registration na yenje utaku enje simple. Enti General Act for Business, Visual Art, Home Economics, Agric, any general science. Student for mu nyina mo nkonko ye remedials ni bi. Bia de demo. Hostel wo ho. Now unim said Unique Diploma College for one year diploma courses. Diploma in Accounting and Finance, Diploma in Human Resource Management, Diploma in Accounting and Advertising, Diploma in Customer Service, Diploma in Project Management, Diploma in Business Management and Administration. And untimisra wada ko na kwa peke forms na bibia nkon kan ma wa be kon kan papa. Diploma no kone kwaye bi te say wi asese ne edan ne ho wo humasua mu no e be kakra na ukura yikura wo ntimi fanya hwe ti kone kwa pre diploma ni bi wa he Wamacha kwani Kwame Norway Goy Station one kwantadu machimodan friend 0540 779 363 0540 779 363. Unique Diploma College na makamfo dia ma wonti ba for ye ntempatious ni nedru ho. Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise. What almost so make am for the amount just say. Suku ho akade say eye books nko de ubenya bi ho. Fiti cho banku crèche wa besi tertiary institutions. Say book be na pe. Akiwala Adiyan Prof Kwams book bi ope bi abenya bi ho eni nti ko nti se office na wo pe books aguo he bookshops na bookshop e wo odane important one there he na sin Blooms for kon wo bibia bi wo pen ma akoma to benya do so puom so ubenya one machira kwani achimodan supermarket opposite GCB Bank Frezel 244 296 632 0244 293 632 and 0203 083 031 0203 083 031. Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise and American for Ediamao Yabia Suku Kope book papa. Sounds so na hinkai sounds. Now I just said bang bang. I hinkai sounds ya was spending machines a more de Tibrai. Wedding, engagement, birthday party, outdoor graduation, funeral. Ediana wo ya unhia spending machines wunya. Spending machine there back up ya hinkai sounds. Brahim FM Hanani ye mediano and our friend number 0543 350 934 0543 350 934. Hinkai sounds abo zege wewe Wabi so ese so upa asase papa to upa asase ato e wa chema boabo amanso twin bia na ho afre number yi asase amanso twin bia na ho achema boabo fre 0553 044 069 0553 044 069. Afe ye beko counselor hono mo. Nansa ne beko counselor hono kwabena kwasti ne nana da form enya asem ketwa ne nana da form ti ne kwabena mba no. Ti nyame adoma 5th February sports stadium ho Achemodan sports stadium anim ho a na efo gbotogbe senior ye kra no ye na yiye kama enti eya na wahwe ahye ne so na kwabena costi papa ne nana mom sorry o ne nana kwabena costi ne nana na yiye no na ni din no di agire kwabena na nkasa bebo owura Jacob Bolonyu mabo ewi Bolonyo owura Jacob Bolonyo tinyame adoma fiade yi bei ade atokwa benani enya sabketo kra house number 10 enti yakọ counselor ho no na fe yene na kwa kwadi enkomo se abrantie bi ahia na woso obewa wo na ne no na mso mami me se mehia abrantie bi o enti yebusa se yebusa counselor se time be ne breben na e wo se ade ne ye na official ni ye bo announcement no counselor Boahin Edwin ewa ha counselor me pa choma good morning o
morning mama efia ene de me nka kwabna ene de mama efia adane
kwabna ye
me usi na ni abre pa baby obi ana no pay nchia kese nkoma no onkamfra ise de onya bedi ade ya ye de ono na de ni bedi ade
efo gbotogbe senior ene wawu no tie de junior bedi eti counselor yanko straight ya bre no ekopa obi hia se obema hia wo ba wo ba no edian na ebemu wo hunu se oba bema ya wasemi pay we die enye matramakwe na oba betna he is coming to stay edian be na ye man ye be hunu
okay mama efia anope mama nchia anka tie4 na say yawada say drusia na ye diafe nyini pe na ehu ni say yes na nchia kese koma me taxi driver kese baako boy sankomo ye be na ye di okem say no mama ne concern baako na ebia me de betudwa na nchia kese nso nkoma first lady mama efia se mnyaka first lady ana wehu
Hey, counselor. Ana mina mi hui.
Una uhuda.
Oh, okay.
Una uhuda.
Oh, ene mina mi uhuda. Oh, okay. Then you say ya.
It mean to ask you.
Oh, first lady, see if I see a tiny day.
Oh, come now, your hand, what body, you know.
Me have counselor me nimo.
Okay, Mama Pat. Okay. All right.
Mama Pat.
Yes.
Okay, first lady, Mama Pat.
So I said. And one another. Menka say one dear person, Presla, or of one say, Menoka say we tea and pa, and Stabi.
Okay.
Stabi say, Mamma Fia says, Stabi, etro message bar, and yon one. But so Fred, ya, a yon one. But so who say will be a type in the name of Stabi and Kofi Boatia, and yon no type in. Nimmintia make us.
And then Sanaya for
would you unya messenger, Brofune Bebenin Nano, the Mecaturative was and yon no type in. Name one of Fred, ya, and then no. Internet so who message beside ya and yon no type in.
Okay.
80 sanity here. Good. Mama Fia is a adeba kwa in class call marriage counseling kwa being no adeba kwa me fair me desisi and say a lot of women are winning their husbands. E ma bebre e wini omukunu no makoma. Yes, your platform bebra e din komo you Zoom ye me dey say na ye sua bibi. Na kwabna sorry here, my
Sana Baye. Said they are covenant to ya. Tisana Baye cancel yako.
Okay, my nephew, I never go over say. Nana me uma ba kuni me din come on say. Yes, on one bubu our dear, on one say, on one jeja no homa nyoma, but you see our try say or can your mercy see any. Na menini din komo bi na me catch any say. Yes, he say me man aba no. Ade ba ko atie mu ana ye pese ye tefri ma ho. E oba o ye nyansafo, oba onim kasa. Oba ne kasa ede ahoden brebema sisi bebia ya duru no enti e platform kese ayi na ye din komo na ye na ye maye ho sa test no say right now no oba nyansafo oba onim nyansa oba otumi ehye ni kunkran oba ode nyansa kwan so tumi ne kun ekasa now very detailed but me bia ni keke it is helping and it is helping a lot of people. And now emfa won say mbiti obo enka nkyere won say obekwa onko me dem abre no age limit no be bedru ba bi no you will need these people just because that is how Nyankopon why good enti mama afia let me come to your question o say and then mema ebemu hu say mama afia de sisu bie mama
nipa be ma ye obey oba ye obey he or she is coming to stay.
Good. That is a very nice question. We dem amen kan madam fu yasemi. Eye boy, you say emprantrians desin aware. Na bia senkemiri woman ka bie tumbe 2 minutes bi. Ni etie se so. Emprantrian desin aware ana. But embre ni ho.
Embre ni ho.
Good. Enti what would tell you say ana say den e be mu hu say abrantie ya ana baba we ya wabe. Oba se obetna say enko wi awade. Mami afia, there's something that right now air course of trend, you know. Right now, GDA enni ho. A son relationship bia or baby ko munti. Onye beme bia ni biu. A son sacrifices or sacrifice ma bema na bema adani na chihwe ni ntimu. He say oni a regime o beme bia biu. Bra no shower share sister bi. At a point in time, a shenenum no o yia ma sister no. Na kwa sister ne de na faso ntino e say chese ye ka enkomo ya edi kro nyanka wadum wireless ne kra yes but what will make you or what will tell you is that this person waba mabrabomi she is coming to stay mama if you edin pa o enye simple sa o I won't sit here and say unse oye say ya oba betena unse oye say ya oba betena Dana na me na market na me busa lady baako a fine lady na busa and say are you a marriage material? Or say yes, on a marriage material. And I say then the man we marriage material. The answer o ma me and say onima pra, onima aduane ye, onima say sister. Eno pe na ye marriage material. Eno pe no describe me say me gina na me say me pese me warewa. What will make me, what will interest me, then a bema who said, no, what me do coffee or sombo, and now bet me a dear mepe. Unimagian noa, I unima pra, I unim your messy, not away washing machine. I mean, she couldn't give me any extraordinary answer. And I saw the no, or the sa concept we are shiny trim. Said Gianenoa, okusin yoma, okuyese, and then the money ye marriage material. And it's a call bema na oba me mabrabuma. What will make you stay? It will be different from what will make the other person. No? Yes, mami afia. Yes, the me person me can say. These are basic and nyoma. Ina yusua ofie e free e mofrem so ye bema so ye oba. And it's only msa nyoma ne ya. It doesn't guarantee say we are marriage material. No. Ade ba ko wo mni say abayo ya oba mabrabum. What ebe katre me say obey or babetna mama afia ye wo instance emoja tie mu ye wo honhom ni padua na wo honhom bitie mu sometimes within you the first ade ba ko e catch on say no asimasi bibi catch me say ye mienu ye betumi atena that is the first thing I me pese tie for shen so say the moment mami we ba I feel say there's always something telling me say we dear because ebia na nye ono pena ono natena but different nipa hodo bebre ebia ba akumienu bi na abo abrabom what will tell you ni say no we dear misusu say and something tells me say yes definitely you bet to me akambom. Now 2 Mami if you free ho na Winston's catch up say I assume say bet to me na bobra no. What again? You work towards saade no. Mami if there is nothing like a perfect man out there. There's nothing like a perfect woman out there. I want to switch from say what will make you think say obey to me or basso or be stay. Or by you know, there are rules and regulations in your life. Or also there are rules and regulations in his life. It is quickly no the bema adena obem school na obem nem pratwe na obem no. The moment the bema na stay and na bema na we be stay ni say when you align with rules and regulations, with visions and your dreams. Now also the need ba now yes, also rules and regulations, also rules and visions and aspirations. These two things are back together. Now I think you are working towards a perfect marriage. Because that nothing will tell you that you can't see it from the forehead. Free the mama so. There's no way I'll be who said no. As soon as Debbie
Council be to me to say, Beman, dear mammy who is so caring. Ubu some say no, what did D? Oh no, wash and no what had you been ever share. One who's on your man.
Hey, huh? Said once I make those things a year, mean can say 1%. Just a wood sad and a year yastica. Wait, see. You were 100% pretenders.
Okay.
Onya bemu for fra. Where did D? Why you say? All because of her attention. She's trying to leave a legacy. Or more with 3 more you're dead. Sister, a beer unye mie kwane mano. Bie kwane mano ba akumienu. Miensa and 9. Hona be started. Ube Fred. I had the whole day crown through you. Yes. And it's that carrying it yet. Mesrao, entina me catch you say, in the first place, your instincts, etchel say no. Abrante ababa we made to me natna. Unya who sad and then you start working on it. And now on can say may say the work on relationship no work entina me can say you ask let her know this is where you are. And you say be a can vision na no. But ma dear be ainsi when so no ono so dear be sin and then let's work towards especially even the relationship nim say even the next 2 years I think say me per se and worry what be so if in the next 2 years me per se warrior they say so onye ready one kasa be onye ready she will start doing things within the 2 years no enye but what must say enti so tena se catch on say we are what bemu there she has come to say obienu wa oba fofra o mesi nyoma wu mama afia se mokwa aya musi nyoma no aduane no monno apa munim empa ne topa so what metna ho bizam say what again se be ma on kan kura no free wa the next person comes the next person might also be doing the same thing enti eden na ebe ka kire me amete wa ma start say me cheating say abayi oba first one and second one she has come to stay no. Nobody can detect, but gradually, when you start working, it comes naturally. Okay. Yes, it comes naturally. Or betting you might be brass because you have one buyer no one. Say I have come to stay. Mami if you what must say me I may call some penetrating. I think I am going to stay where there no matter what. I am going to stay in this relationship because one, me instance chemi say abranti we obeboa me. Me instance chemi say ababa we obeboa me. 2, Brian so I can the same thing. Say what catch on say oh kwako ako stay a. Mami if you say the wako school. You do watching school be bremu. Na was school ni na mempe. Na be do co school another school be. The moment you enter the one say as a crab ba ho so like you feel good. So what you tell yourself and say no matter what say school we nko there me nchon of deck me kwa ko twa ne preko pe me ba what ma say so that is how it come say wo anya wadwen say I am going to stay now you think say you want the other person and the other side no and a party ni endwene ma say we dey ba wa bayi we dey misusu say wo bayi oba be stay you'll be making a big mistake and the carrying a course ne the other me say 1%.
Oh okay. counselor yɛnhwɛ yɛahwɛ we nyina awie yɛbrɛ ne nti yɛnhwɛ yɛntimi ndomu asukɔ pii counselor ɔbaa hyia bɛɛma bɛɛma hyia ɔbaa wedi ohunu so okay wedi me instance makoma me bibi atenka bi kyerɛ me sɛ bɛɛma wedi metim ni na bɔbra afei mahunu saa nneɛma no time bɛn ne bre bɛn anaso de bɛɛma na ba mabra bom no ɛhɔ a me nka kyerɛ me maame ne me papa sɛ mahyia baabi mahyia bɛɛma bi me mmɔ me namfofo amane ana me ntwa nkosi ta bɛn
mame fia nyame hyia very brilliant question yes Daddy we edi enya bebre. Yes. The moment send a woken ye ram empena training. Maka what ase. You say me know everybody me know me no ye nim say anamon say na ye me no ye tu. Mama fia there are two kinds of that introduction no. And I say men kanisa. That is the preliminary stages and the primary stage. Onya ba ye no sebe oba no wabusuafo. Bema wabusuafo. Good. Iti obesra wo fie eno no you introduce a bra kwa kunie mama afia wo say eno wan hwa wo nka hwe wo ho chia me mama ni good morning now no so age so ma morning yes then everything eno no wan ka hwe but yes pani oni hwe kra no o abache o de nadwen abu akosi baabi you are introducing your partner informally but it is official informally official. But what must say now because you don't know anything about Ono until you are introducing him or her informally. That is official. One ma who say abaywa we but on can we because every kra na obi asa kra ma fie ho kra sa ada. Eti almost wo no they expecting something like that. But we by this good morning ma mami afie ni. Okay. Mami afie na saying okay then you all move inside. But omu ye nipa omu nim yansa omu nim the echo yes you don't say anything now that is the first part of it oba no so why ebia also kwosra no she also did the same ono so ye the same thing good now the second part that is the most important thing any send ye kan officially time you yourself as because be man na wo kware be man na wo kware no and your body never worry. Now, what is going to happen is you, the man, you take that boat because Okofano free or no nebusium edinaba. And your body, a man, most of the time we make a lot of mistakes. You are not the first person to go and introduce him to your family. A man in same year pa. And you won't say would decay Eddie or Bermane Kobusia ho. And now mammy and now papa ho. No, it's a big mistake. It is Bemano, I said yes, sir. I was a one more kind Edu ko or no nebusia for because at the end of the day, or say anything a Beman nebeba about foul and you want about fano. It when she takes or he takes you or do ko a busia for ne wa na injitumni bemwa then you are safe. Na fe or no why the same. Na me if you fan stage ben. Se nyinia ere normal ebedu stage B enye one stage ebedu stage B in your life you will feel say no me ese me nya me ho kafo ma wuram ma di kan me ma me ehunu me papa ehunu me nka hwe omo de omani keke na ehunu but here is the stage you can want say when you see say one psychologically physically emotionally financially there be okay no one omo de say sika asem ne de na to nchen
counselor
mesrew aho ehia me say one ebia ene de manya psychologically me adwini mu no one emotionally the way I feel what think extra 3 financially usika sem otini baby no dini mekoni ni gari on srew on small se waba na se wusu di gari ni binsa di se wo be fa no hu se gale no lonka ba ko a wo beto lonka mienu etiefu otie mi omuntie ni yepa enti se wa think mu no se no se mamen metumi de ana metumi ahwe oba 2 se me hwe se everything around me ekoye metumi ahwe oba me sika sam enye se menya buso na emom emma me akwanya se we die se me de bi emma sister ekura bi beka ama me de ayenwoma foforo then that is the official time samre no na oye bema udi unsa besi obo aka say yes I am taking you to the family officially to announce say wona so ma me hwehwe wa o ma hwehwe me o me ho yes other than that the courtship ne de udi study no but unya because you see the moment unya de ni chia abusua sunsum na ebedi wachi towards saa oba akro no because e ba akopɛ wo de ne abusua nya agi ne tuma be ma no so ye de okɔ ne agi utuma ade a ye na expect ne say hey we de ye hwa akosi say obewa no enti ye hwɛ left and right e okra de ho edinsi ni na so onya akɔ ye official announcement a say adwuma na edinsi ni na enti say wonya ready a e wo san nyoma miensa maka we wo hu a e bia me the spiritual eyesight yes spiritually hu fam say wonya din so a mesre nyabotrema ho get all these things together na fi two sa big or bold step no na yenya nkubemu ne kwadumu ne moduamu ne school down ho na ya gina no mesre ya gina ya senk of what down ya de na church ya senk of what modua ne yebubu no this is not the right time
yo councilor mama amanfo mbrem ne yento aso komo na de pa ubetimi afre 0201944485 enkoma ye die wo wasem bi bisa councilor afre 0201944485 and 0554 820 910 0554 820 910 na councilor wo ka say modu amu gina no councilor obi aba ho man so ma me pekere na hello we pacho good morning udini baby akasa free
pacho akasa si asane me de
Mercury councilor tie wo
e pacho e mama no say ma ya ble ho asema omwa say wo ne betena no ma bu ya kwase a ya no so
councilor
Bema bi so no so be fresh or baby so bu kwase no is ya na 10 minim o de ye be answer
okay yanko obi so frɛ hello good morning pacho dini baby akasa free
me pacho ye family Lydia me ka just free aboabo
yo Lydia nkomo aye di ni counselor wa ha wo asem bi sabia otie o
me pacho me pese me buta counselor say oba ewo baako na se bibi nti wantimi ne beba baako na antena na se obi oya ba adwuma eba beware na yetimi ekate ne se obi a wawo baako de enye
yo Lydia yate counselor I think say nipa to obi so frɛ bi opti am pick one to be na fe counselor nkoso hello good morning udini baby akasa free o
me pacho ye family rate me ka se free aboabo
yo me pacho ye tie o counselor tie o
me pacho me ni be me bi atena for 3 years ni me ni atena my very supportive even in financial by me say me de me be ma na chia me busiafo but be ma ni fa me chia na busiafo officially but me no mo ka se ofun so keke na me pese me hu say enum no be ma no ebetimi like send me di me onu na chia me busiafo no eno so na onu fa me chia na busiafo no pese counselor church mu kakao
okay wa be chire wu mu hello good morning udini baby akasa free
morning black woman in CMV
okay black woman yetie o
me da say ye da counselor so ase obadi friend mema no da o bema beg oh sabio enipa ene emwa dance ye ni apontin akosua apontin ba jwa ho tonka bema black woman da me na wo jimia fi mema nka ye nim bema be da o counselor wo abusigi na dada me no wa yina free it don't say cancer so can say obedi so dem nso be kasa obedi dada no oba be oba ko se na dada me afi na emman ka ye ni na na yi oba ko se free so wanya ne sa eno na be hu say nie ni oni wo tia wa ye wo ho ade no na wo de black kwam yi awudie ade ode yi o eno na me de te me kama kuma masema kirewa na wo de dia mimi kwam de yi wa na no eno na ade me tia wa ya se ebe da ye debi ma ye hu oni odada o black kwam a wo kasa re so no dada me yini bi mema nka ye nim twasoko anim mema na aka no so no be nyo bufura unu be tumi atena so wanye ne sa o dofre ne oni ne ti kan ni ya odie na ne be tia wa ya na se ne
wala counselor yanto asem no so na ensam ni ya no na yanto aso na time no.
Okay, the first one is no kind really I think papa ya be answer we say we be count I 1-1 it we say ono ne dey dey say obi answer ma me timi nko kra. Now the second person na no ka say sebi wa wo baako na nyame aye na dom obi abewa no na oneneti na I don't know how anipa no describe say enye no how you say no
government worker
yeah
ware na busuan say debi one
it probably ono ne de bia me de me number be to dwa na afi ono ya because more than how we see it yeah now the second the third one and ono so ka say oba no ono be mana kuchia yes that is the big mistake for how long so Hane Tamalekura for 3 years also oni omo kasa what tells and I said then a chire say omo oni omo kasa and they are the right people that is a big mistake me say there are so many things that are going on people sit down orchestrate omo ye nyoma be brea you feel say it is genuine but obekono at the end of the day you wouldn't see it like that and then a chire say they are ne kasa na ye ne maame what's your officially why you why there na nka me penny sa say nka wona nka betu sa na mo na nsa na me I was expecting say obedi kan is there was supported for 3 years imagining oko na ye kase ye nji wontu what are you going to do so that was a big mistake say because most of the time so ba no eji be mani tumu a no de ne kop ono ne side sa yempe ana e wo fom research ayaye no so ba na gibe man tum say we na me pese me ware no de na ekọ ono na busuamu a first official no aya na e wo form be ma be da bi sanyoma na aye ntante but be man de oba na ekọ busuani mu a most of these things sorry gidi anything I make I say so your ba first of all mayeni kan fa wo nkochia ansa na wo de onu akochia enti sister utie mi a mesrew the ampa kasa ne de oni omoka sisters no nkumafo no wonsew no oni omokasa but minim so ebia no mu na wa brochire enti na yemfa wonkochia but so mu na ewo Ghana hade a mesre one of these days me for 3 years there why ade ma yemfa wonkochia officially because why wadwen say ube stay anything na wo support no enti say why wadwen say ube stay there enunti mesrew me paucho ma yemfa wonko ne yemfa wonkochia no matter what ansa na too late mesrew
yo counselor ya breno aya be to last words na fa number ka ho
okay na sena make no right now no we are that agenda I'm winning my husband yes enti no enu na ye koso a ye guso a ye di ho dwuma say emma na kasi omobo say this year no matter side check for them I feel they money e wo so say no matter how the situation may be we are going to win our husbands. We are not going to allow them to spend momon to sikengu abontensa and it entails a lot. It is at the end na say yashe ya ho and I say ye gusu this year ye dear see ni so ye and untino say if you are interested ye Zoom meetings we do a whole lot of things ye din komo I mean it is open whole lot of counselors experienced people they come on board normally ye dingo because Mami afia say nyoma enna form sao enti ye mpeni wastage ye nhwe ma mema ni nko to sika ngu ba bi ense emofra ofie do you get me enti this is what we are working on enti mechia achimso adrofo ni na especially the wo me afia pel then I think I can't hear for now
first still lady.
Good
First lady.
Hey, nani yang senke mewu. Ompe ho asem a wo de waka. Ompe ho asem a. Chi say na wo wi akoja me. Ne ko pacho. What dey say good. It's number na here 0246 272 392. 0246 272 392. Yes. It's Saturday so efo
efo gbotogbe
senior ya me adoma kwabna shedin ne abusuafo na ya ba beta wachi na ya hwene atutu bibia anti mechi atiefo ni na so
yo good abusia counseling Edwin Boahen ene no atwetwe nkobo nti wa kire yen bra obetimi making official because be man no introduce you bo man nante ache no introduce you officially can I say introduced you nene wa pe ho adwena fa enti counselor Boahen Edwin ene no atwetwe nkobo no Juma ya bistam for tuntumremfo nyina memamo good morning we are kwa akobo prem to bre ya batino news for no so wono mo keka omo ho hye wa ha enti nyame ya domo Saturday kwabena costi ne nanada form enti Saturday sports stadium or dance sports stadium anim ho a ene ye owura Jacob Gbalanyo gbo lonyo Owura Jacob Kwasi ne nana simple and short ye no ewo odan sports stadium anim ho a ti ya na wa hye ne so de amame nyame adom o kira nso mi kro ma bena se ma